Hi, I am Umar Murtaza and welcome to Professional DevOps by Pact Publishing. I have more than 25 years of experience in system administration with implementing and commissioning of development, testing, and production environments. I have worked closely with development teams throughout the software lifecycle. I have hands-on experience with implementing DevOps. Also, I have conducted full-day workshops for professionals both on-site as well as off-site. Course overview. DevOps is the most widely used software engineering culture and practice that aims at software development and operation. It helps an organization deploy software more frequently while maintaining service stability and gaining the speed necessary for more innovation. There are plenty of tools and technology frameworks related to DevOps available in the market, but identifying the most suitable one according to your organizational need is a real challenge. Implementing configuration management, monitoring tools, information, security, and compliance are more critical for any organization. Each section of this course will help you implement the DevOps culture in your professional environment. With the help of source control, continuous build, continuous integration, automated tests with quality control, and container technologies, this course will be a perfect guide to learn and apply DevOps in your organization. By the end of this course, you will be able to identify and choose appropriate tools and technology framework for implementing DevOps in your organization. Coming to the roadmap of the course. Section number 1. In this section, you will understand what is DevOps, what steps should be taken in setting up DevOps environment and culture at your organization. You will learn the DevOps lifecycle and understand DevOps tools for version control, configuration management, continuous integration, continuous delivery, continuous monitoring, testing, and continuous deployment. Section number 2. In this section, you will learn the working of Git, how much important is Git in DevOps lifecycle. For deployment, you will learn Vagrant, a tool which can deploy machine independent of the host operating system. You will also learn the importance of Docker-based deployment in the organizations, how efficiently you can manage Docker networking, and then a deep dive into some use cases. Section number 3. In this section, you will learn about configuration management for your underlying infrastructure using Chef, Puppet, and Ansible. You will learn different types of Ansible setups according to your organizational need, how to manage complex infrastructure, and automation of tasks using Ansible. You will also learn about configuring Jenkins with Git, triggering tasks from Jenkins when a code is submitted. You will learn how Kubernetes manage Docker containers cluster. In section number 4, you will learn about monitoring solutions you have in DevOps for your organization by exploring Monet and Nagios. You will learn about installation, configuration, and monitoring of your infrastructure using Nagios. Finally, section number 5. In this final section, you will learn about implementing DevOps best practices, which makes a stable and effective DevOps environment in your organization. You will learn implementing security solutions and explore tools for enabling security checks in different phases of DevOps lifecycle. Target audience. This course is for system administrators, solution architects, implementers, or any stakeholder working in the software lifecycle environment who want to understand the concept of building a DevOps environment and strategy from scratch. You need to have some basic understanding and some working experience with Linux and understanding of IT environment. However, no prior knowledge of DevOps is required. What will you learn from this course? By the end of this course, you will be able to implement complete DevOps lifecycle, implement DevOps using Docker containers. You'll be able to efficiently use continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous management tools. You'll be able to use configuration management tools like Chef, Puppet, and Ansible. You'll be able to work with container orchestration with best practices. Monitor the infrastructure with Nagios. You'll be able to implement security solutions in DevOps lifecycle. We know what lies ahead, so let's get started with the course.